is Reza Ahi. I'm the CEO of NuPSYS. We focus on addressing the ever-increasing complexity of the networks, in particular enterprise networks, with a dramatically simplified and elegantly easy-to-use solution, which is based on 2 patents that have already been issued, leveraging the power of computing engines in GPUs and enabling real-time visualization and analytics for IP networks, in particular the enterprise. So if you look at the core value is truly real time. So in other words, we run 500 to 1,000 times faster than anything else out in the marketplace, inclusive of the likes of IBM, Tivoli, HP, NetView, OpenView, and SolarWind, and alike. So as such, our mission is essentially enabling understanding at a very fundamental and basic level of what's really going on within your network and how does your network really look like. So this is inherently software-defined network ready, and we are stepping towards IoT as well, while keeping a sharp focus on enterprise as such, directly and through Cisco Gold Reseller, we are a Cisco partner, and through managed service providers for mid-sized to small-sized businesses. So as such, the impact is really unleashing the power of understanding your network as they are becoming rapidly very complex, inclusive of many different types of wireless and wireline and the like. So picture worth 1,000 words. We provide a 3-dimensional view of the network. You can point and click any layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, including work groups as part of a VLAN as an example, and immediately get to basically what's really going on within that work group geographically, work group wise, or other aspects of the network. Get real-time analytics and transform and translate that into monetization. The 7 modules of visualization, control center, provisioning, tracking, ticketing, inventory, analytics, server management, and service desk. So anything that is IP, we manage. Anything that is IP, we provide an intuitive view given on your right-hand side, and as opposed to text-based and screen-based. Very powerful, very intuitive, and brain-friendly. The business model is very well defined. We rely on scaling via partners. As I mentioned, we have made our first announcement at Cisco Live Milan just this year in January. We are front-ending the Cisco Modeling Lab, which is the simulation for anything that uses Cisco and other vendors. And we have other collaboration. We have signed an agreement with another major telecom vendor and third one in process. We rely on resellers, specifically Cisco Gold Resellers. They have multiple ones signed up, SecureTech in Greater Middle East, Desca and Micronet in Latin America, and WWT here, and a number of others as such. We are a pure-play software, hardware agnostic, patented. Patents are issued, they are not pending. They're actually covering anything that has to do with GPU-based network management and analytics. And as I mentioned, we have legacy network, SDN, and virtual networks currently via vendors completely covered, and we're ready for launch now. Thank you for your attention.